Number 1. 1975 Harley-Davidson XLCH1000, priced at $4,400, located in Fairhope, Alabama. The XLCH1000 is a true classic ironhead sportster, representing the raw, mechanical soul of vintage American motorcycling. Known for its simple, no-nonsense design, this bike delivers a direct and engaging riding experience that many modern motorcycles simply can't replicate. This particular example is reported to run great with no issues and is still being ridden regularly, always a strong indicator of reliability. It features both electric start and kickstart, offering modern convenience while preserving its old-school character. Finished in black with a timeless stance, it has strong visual presence whether you keep it stock or turn it into a custom build. At this price point, it's a solid opportunity to own a running, rideable piece of Harley-Davidson history. Number 2. 1978 Triumph Bonneville T140V, priced at $5,500, located in Paris, Illinois. The 1978 Bonneville T140V is one of the most iconic British motorcycles ever produced. Known for its balanced performance and timeless styling, this example stands out as an unrestored original survivor, retaining much of its factory character. It even features a rare, one-year-only brown and gold paint scheme, adding to its uniqueness and collector appeal. With only around 8,000 miles, it appears to have been carefully preserved over the years. Recent servicing includes new tires, chain, and sprockets, helping ensure it remains a dependable rider. While the fuel tank shows some light patina, it actually enhances the authenticity rather than detracting from it. For anyone looking for a genuine vintage Bonneville that's both original and road-ready, this is a very compelling option. Number 3. 1983 Suzuki GS650GL, priced at $3,700, located in Lyons, Illinois. The 1983 Suzuki GS650GL is a classic midsize cruiser that combines reliable Japanese engineering with timeless styling. This particular example stands out immediately thanks to its extremely low mileage, showing just around 4,000 miles, making a rare find for a bike of this era. Finished in a clean black exterior, this GS presents very well and has clearly been cared for over the years, with only 2 previous owners. It has been garage kept and recently gone through mechanically, giving it a strong level of confidence for its next rider. Under the hood, it features a smooth inline 4-cylinder engine paired with a manual transmission, delivering consistent power and classic riding feel. One key upgrade is the Murray's carburetor conversion, replacing the original setup with a more modern twin-carb system, which can improve reliability and tuning. This bike is also shaft-driven, meaning lower maintenance compared to chain-driven motorcycles, a big plus for riders looking for convenience that, in terms of maintenance, a lot has already been taken care of. It comes with brand new tires, new brake pads, new battery, new petcock and fuel filter, fresh fluids, new fuses, and a new oil filter with gasket. The fuel tank has also been fully coated, helping prevent internal rust and ensuring long-term durability. The seller notes that the bike runs and rides, although it does idle slightly high, something that's typically a minor adjustment for a bike of this type, that IT comes with a clean title and is being offered as OBO, with the seller motivated to sell quickly. Overall, for $3,700. This 1983 Suzuki GS650GL offers low mileage, strong maintenance history, and classic 4-cylinder performance, making it a very solid option for anyone looking to own a clean and usable vintage cruiser. Number 4. 1953 BSA Bantam D3, priced at $4,900, located in Newborn, Georgia. The 1953 BSA Bantam D3 is a lightweight British classic that captures the simplicity and charm of early post-war motorcycling. Designed to be efficient and easy to ride, the Bantam became one of the most popular small-displacement motorcycles of its time. This example has undergone a complete restoration, resulting in a clean, well-presented bike that's ready to be enjoyed. Its vintage green finish and compact proportions give it a distinctive and appealing look. Whether displayed at shows or used for casual rides, its simple mechanical design also makes it approachable and easy to maintain. For collectors or enthusiasts looking for a fully sorted and historically significant British motorcycle, this Bantam is a great option. Number 5. 1973 Honda CL350K2 Scrambler, priced at $1,850, located in Woodbine, Iowa. The 1973 Honda CL350K2 Scrambler is a versatile and highly regarded vintage motorcycle, known for its dual-purpose design and signature high-mounted exhaust. This example shows just over 5,500 miles and is reported to start, run, and ride well, making it a solid and usable classic. It features both electric and kickstart, along with a new battery, adding convenience for everyday riding. The fuel tank and seat are in very good condition, contributing to its strong overall presentation. While it may benefit from minor updates like carburetor cleaning and new tires, these are relatively simple tasks for a bike of this type. With a clean title and a very accessible price point, this CL350 represents an excellent entry into vintage Scrambler ownership, offering both fun and long-term value. Number 6. 1976 BMW R96, priced at $5,300, located in Newton, North Carolina. The 1976 BMW R96 is part of BMW's legendary Airhead lineup, known for its smooth boxer twin engine and long-lasting reliability. This model delivers a refined riding experience, with strong low-end torque and balanced handling, making it ideal for both relaxed cruising and longer-distance touring. This particular example is reported to run and ride exactly as it should, with no immediate needs. Recent maintenance includes an oil change, rebuilt brake cylinders, rebuilt carburetors, valve adjustments, and a new battery, all contributing to its road-ready condition. With a clean title and solid overall presentation, this R96 stands out as a dependable vintage motorcycle that can be enjoyed right away. Number 7. 1988 Yamaha 15250 Route 66, priced at $3,000, located in Irwin, Ohio. The 1988 Yamaha 15250 Route 66 is a lightweight cruiser that perfectly captures the simplicity and reliability of small-displacement V-twin motorcycles. Known for its approachable size and easy handling, it's an ideal choice for beginners or riders looking for a practical, no-fuss daily bike. This particular example stands out with just 3,000 original miles, which is exceptionally low for a bike of this age. It has been garage kept its entire life, helping preserve its overall condition and keeping it in solid shape both mechanically and cosmetically. Powered by a 249 cubic centimeters V-twin engine paired with a manual transmission, the 15250 delivers smooth, predictable power that's perfect for city commuting and relaxed cruising. It's not built for speed, but for reliability, efficiency, and ease of use in terms of maintenance. This bike has already received some important updates, including new tires that are about a year old, along with a new voltage regulator and stator/alternator, ensuring a healthy electrical system. According to the seller, the bike runs, rides, and stops exactly as it should, and is currently being used for daily commuting, a strong sign that it's dependable and road-ready. The seller even mentions they would trust it to go anywhere, which adds confidence for potential buyers. Overall, for $3,000, this 1988 Yamaha 15250 Route 66 offers ultra-low mileage, proven reliability, and classic cruiser styling in a lightweight package, making it a great option for new riders or anyone looking for a simple, dependable motorcycle. Number 8. 1973 Norton Commando 850, priced at $8,500, located in Bloomington, Illinois. The 1973 Norton Commando 850 is one of the most respected British motorcycles of its era, known for its strong performance and iconic styling. This example has undergone a comprehensive restoration, with major work completed on both the engine and gearbox, including new bearings, seals, and gaskets. The cylinder head has also been rebuilt with upgraded components, while the frame and wheels have been fully refreshed. Finished in a striking candy apple red, the bike also features upgrades such as electronic ignition and a single carburetor conversion for improved reliability. With only a few hundred miles since the rebuild, it remains in its break-in period and is ready for careful use. For those seeking a fully sorted and visually impressive Commando, this is a standout example. Number 9. 1980 Kawasaki KZ1000 Cafe Racer, priced at $4,000, located in Madison, Mississippi. The 1980 Kawasaki KZ1000 is a powerful and highly respected platform that has become a favorite for custom builds, especially cafe racers. This example has been modified with a range of performance and aesthetic upgrades, including electronic ignition, an oil cooler, close ratio transmission, and a 4-into-1 exhaust system. It also features updated paint, a new battery, and modernized components that enhance both performance and appearance. Additional parts are included with the sale, such as OEM components and upgraded brake lines, adding even more value. While the bike does run, the carburetors will need rebuilding to reach optimal performance. For enthusiasts looking for a strong custom platform with serious potential, this KZ1000 offers a solid foundation. Number 10. 1978 Harley-Davidson Low Rider, priced at $7,500, located in Hendersonville, Tennessee. The 1978 Harley-Davidson Low Rider is an iconic cruiser that helped define factory custom styling in the late 1970s, powered by the classic shovelhead engine and paired with a 4-speed transmission. It delivers the unmistakable feel that Harley enthusiasts appreciate. This example features both electric start and kickstart, along with a wide glide front end and original mag wheels, all contributing to its authentic look. IT is reported to run great and comes with a clean title, making it a ready-to-ride vintage machine. With its combination of classic styling and strong mechanical condition, this low rider represents a highly desirable piece of Harley-Davidson history. Number 11. 1980 Vespa P125X, priced at $4,200, located in Deltona, Florida. The 1980 Vespa P125X is a classic Italian scooter that combines timeless design with everyday practicality. This example has been tastefully upgraded with a 150 cubic centimeters cylinder conversion and digital ignition, completed by a reputable shop. Improving both performance and reliability, the IT still retains its original two-stroke character, while offering better cruising capability, reportedly reaching speeds of around 60 miles per hour. The scooter is described as running excellent, with all components functioning properly. The IT also comes with new tires and includes original accessories, such as a spare tire, toolkit, and additional parts. Clean and well-sorted Vespas like this are becoming harder to find, making it a strong option for both collectors and riders. Number 12. 1976 Honda CB750, priced at $2,200. Located in Franklin, Tennessee. The 1976 Honda CB750 is one of the most iconic motorcycles ever produced, often credited with setting the standard for modern superbikes. Powered by a smooth inline-4 engine, it delivers strong performance along with classic styling that continues to attract enthusiasts today. This example runs and rides well, making it a usable vintage motorcycle as it sits. It does have a minor idle issue once warmed up, likely requiring carburetor cleaning or adjustment, a common and manageable task for a bike of this era. With a clean title and a very accessible price point, it presents an excellent opportunity to restore, customize, or simply enjoy a legendary Honda platform. Number 13. 1982 Suzuki 650, priced at $3,000, located in Clarksville, Tennessee. The 1982 Suzuki 650 represents the dependable engineering and smooth performance Suzuki was known for in the early 1980s. This example is described as clean and well-maintained, with new tires already installed and braking components in good condition. It runs and rides great with no reported leaks, making it a solid, ready-to-use vintage motorcycle. Its straightforward design and reliable engine make it suitable for both newer riders and experienced enthusiasts. With a clean title and a fair asking price, this bike offers a great balance of usability and classic appeal. Number 14. 1980 Moto Guzzi Monza V50, priced at $2,000, located in Derrida, Louisiana. The 1980 Moto Guzzi Monza V50 is a compact Italian V-twin that offers a unique riding experience with classic European styling. Known for its lightweight feel and responsive handling, it stands out from larger displacement bikes of its era. This example is reported to be in good overall condition and comes with brand new tires, which is always a valuable upgrade. However, it has not been running for a few years and will require some recommissioning before returning to the road. For buyers interested in a distinctive vintage project, this Monza provides a solid foundation at an affordable price. Number 15. 1976 Yamaha XS650 Bobber, priced at $975, located in Hendersonville, Tennessee. The 1976 Yamaha XS650 is one of the most popular platforms for custom builds, thanks to its strong parallel twin engine and simple construction. This example has been converted into a bobber-style project, featuring a stripped-down look with plenty of character. It is currently a non-running project that will require a new wiring harness and a full tune-up to get back on the road. However, it is reported that all the necessary components are included, making it a complete and promising build. At under $1,000, this XS650 presents a very affordable entry into the world of custom motorcycle projects. Thanks for watching Moto Market Explorer. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any future uploads. And as always, check back daily for more timeless and legendary motorcycles for sale across the United States.